So now let's see how we can work around with generating of CSV data inside of DeepSeek. So over here in DeepSeek, what you can do is you can go ahead and then type in, let's say for example, generate a CSV data of random first and last names and their ages, let's say for example. So I'm just going to go ahead and say generate random data, let's say for example. Once I go ahead and do that, then what happens is that DeepSeek will process out that particular information and will generate a random first and last name along with their ages right here. So you can see that it is processing. And now you can see that it goes ahead and then generates out the random data right here, just like this. So now if I were to go ahead and copy it, I can bring it onto an application like Notepad right here. And then I can simply go ahead and save it out on my desktop, let's say for example, as CSV. So this is what I have. So I'm just going to say sample.csv right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and then rename it out to dot right here and press enter, and this has been saved as CSV. So now what I can actually do is you can see the CSV file right here. So I'm simply going to go ahead and right click on this and then open it out with Excel right here. Now, so you can do this with any application that supports CSV. And once you do that, you can actually see that particular data right here in the form of tables. And that is how you can go ahead and generate out CSV data inside of DeepSeek. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.